Once again we got more sheep which are farmed here. They have got a big hairy gut. Oh my god. She always also have beard. This very naughty, very naughty. The black one. Black one. Very hairy black one. Watch this hairy gut. Again. Sheep. This sheep is looking towards the camera, and we don't know what this sheep wants. She's again started farming. We have a lot of sheep and goats in this farm. We made them feed with the black one, a great one. Watch this black one, the black goat. Oh my god, she's eating. Oh, she's looking towards the camera. Oh, the nice one. Oh, ho, ho, ho. The older one is coming toward the camera. Well known, well known. But the white one, the beard goat. This is a fighter goat. Oh my god, this sheep. We have a lot of sheep. Also, we feeded these all sheep, goats here. This hairy one, oh, she's being. Watch this naughty goat, a well-known naughty goat. Oh, watch the sheep. We feeded them here. We farmed here. Oh, the brown one. The brown one. Watch the brown one. She's also looking toward the camera. Watch the brown one. Oh my god. We also have some more sheep here. Watch them. If you love sheep, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. I always make the vlogs of sheep, daily vlogs of sheep and goats. We have some more sheep here. We farm these sheep here. Oh my god, the big one. The big one is looking toward the camera. We have a lot of sheep. This one is coming toward the camera. Come on, come on. Oh, ho, 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 ho. The another one. Come on, come on. Come on, all the sheep have run away. Come on, let's go. Go, 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 go. Go, dear. Come on. The white sheep are also looking here in the camera. We love the sheep. These are very beautiful. We farmed here, then we sell these sheep. The people eat these sheep for warming. Thank you. Bye.